I went to an astrologer to know my future. That good man looked at my chart and did some calculations and all that and said, your Jupiter's in the 7th house, so you'll definitely get a beautiful wife. By the way, he was true. Now, what did he do? He predicted something about my wife, that she's going to be beautiful. Today, I'm going to reveal a very important part of our everyday conversation. Prediction. We predict every day, in fact, several times a day. Look at these sentences. The milkman will come at 9 o'clock. The newspaper boy will come at 5 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. He's going to bring the lunch up by 1 o'clock. The petrol prices are going to rise by 5% this month. The oil prices are going to fall by 2%. Predictions will. This is going to happen, that will happen. These are predictions. But the problem here is we aren't able to state our predictions clearly. Our weak predictions sound like strong ones, and the other way around. Hi there, welcome to TELW, the English Workshop with me, Manu. Today we're going to look at ways of discussing predictions with different levels of confidence. Before I proceed, I just want to say that if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing to it. And if you've been watching my video for some time now, please do me a favor and subscribe to it. Don't forget to like this video and feel free to share it as well. Let's go back to the astrologer. What did he say? He said, you will definitely have a beautiful wife. He said, definitely. So how confident was he? Well, I say 100%. Definitely. Now look at this chart here. Top, 100%. 50%, 0%. Now we just said definitely is 100%. What's another way of saying definitely? Certainly. Another way? Surely. So, all right, let's look at this entire chart straight away. If you are 50% confident, it's like half and half. If you are iffy about the whole thing, then you say may or maybe. And if you're downright 0%, you'll say definitely not. Or, yeah, certainly not, surely not, yes. Or, no way. Now what I want you to do is, when I use these words, these chunks in sentences, look at the way the words are ordered. I'll point them out, and if you don't follow this word order, chances are that you might end up confusing the listeners. And we'll look at the other areas of this chart as well as we go along. First one, 100% certain. Well, the astrologer said that already. You will definitely get a beautiful wife. You will certainly get a beautiful wife. You will surely get a beautiful wife. Easy, innate. You will surely get. The action word verb is get, and this comes just before that action word. Definitely get, surely get, certainly get. This word order is very important. If you place it somewhere else, it'll have a different meaning altogether. Now, surely is a very tricky one. You can use the same word to express two different levels of confidence. Keep watching. We'll come to the second one soon. Come to this 50-50 iffy bit of prediction. May. Note the way the words are ordered here. Maybe the coronavirus spread will decrease over the next 3 months. Or if I use may, I say the coronavirus spread may decrease over the next 4 months. Notice the two chunks. Maybe is followed by will. So with maybe, you have to use will. But with may, no will. Think about this. Maybe I will come to your house tomorrow. I may come to your house tomorrow. Give me one iffy prediction. Maybe my wife will agree. My wife may agree. Now, let's look at the last one, 0%, which is the opposite of 100%. If that is positive, this is negative, and the other way around. This is definitely not, certainly not, surely not, etc. But we also found another way to say it. No way. Let's use it. She will definitely not agree to marry me. She will certainly not agree to marry me. She'll surely not agree to marry me. And so on. No way. She'll no way agree to marry me. Great. Look at the way we use no way in another way. This is a stronger way of saying it. It's more emphatic. We say, no way will she agree to marry me. Now notice this. No way will she. She will definitely not. See, she will she. Note the inversion. This is called an inversion. You invert the be verb will with the actor she. They change places. Then it becomes more emphatic. No way will she agree to marry me. You don't say no way she'll agree to marry me. It sounds very awkward. We'll look at the in-betweens in the next video. If you liked what you saw, do hit the like button. Until then.